Music. Credit.com's credit score tool. Let's dive in. Links are in the description. This tool offers a free credit score, updated every 2 weeks using your Experian report. You'll see your Vantage Score 3.0 plus a breakdown of key factors like payment history, credit utilization, and account age. Credit.com's credit report card grades your performance, giving you tips to boost your score. Plus, get personalized recommendations for credit cards, loans, and other financial products based on your situation. The Credit Score Simulator lets you see how actions like paying off debt might impact your score. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to monitor and improve their credit health, whether you're a beginner or experienced. It's easy to use and navigate. Credit.com combines monitoring, educational resources, and personalized insights, putting you in control of your financial future. Want a user-friendly tool to track your credit and explore personalized financial options? Check the description to get started with Credit.com and boost your financial confidence today.